Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at the HP Color LaserJet Pro. Now in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the features that this unit offers, as well as what you can expect when you get it. Now the first thing I wanted to point out about this unit is designed with speed and efficiency in mind. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see we have our keypad, we have our wireless button, our settings button, and also a full number pad to go ahead and fax. We also have copy, scan, and a lot of different other adjustments that can be made right from the keypad. Now another great feature is they offer a smartphone app which can actually control the printer and make adjustments on the fly, as well as organize your documents and keep you updated on ink levels. Now this is the scanner and copier up here at the top. You can see the glass there, and we do have the actual size markings there on the left that you see on those higher end copiers and scanners. Now the hood of the unit actually lifts up, and this is right where it's going to go ahead and spit out all of our documents that we've copied or printed. And one thing I wanted to mention here is they do add this little paper catch here. So we have that, we can go ahead and catch our documents. Now at the bottom of the unit, we actually have our paper tray here. It just easily slides out. It's a really deep paper tray that can hold a lot of paper there. And we also have these guides which will adjust here to the size of the paper or document that we're printing on. And we also have a guide up here that can push it up a little bit if needed. Now to replace the ink cartridges, we'll just simply go ahead and pull down on this middle section here and slide the section down. And from here, you'll notice that the drawer here is now able to be released. We'll go ahead and pull on the blue lever and it will slide out the drawer for all of the ink cartridges. Now we can go ahead and easily replace those, and then we'll just push the drawer back in and it will click into place, and then we'll go ahead and replace the middle section just like that. A couple of other features this printer offers is the ability to print very quickly. It can print up to 17 pages per minute, which is very fast for an office printer. It also has dual band Wi-Fi to increase connectivity speeds, as well as connectivity range and stability. Overall, I really think this is a very high quality all-in-one printer solution, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.